Hey there, welcome back. It's Kyle, and today is Tuesday, May 28th, 2024, and I am cooking supper, or I should say smoking supper. We have on the camp chef today boneless, skinless chicken thighs smoking. They're going to be smoking for roughly an hour, 45 minutes to an hour or so, at about 275 degrees today. I'll let you know how they look when they come off. I'm also making some homemade bread to go with it, so check back later. Take care. Bye-bye. We went ahead and rotated these and flipped them, and when I said they are looking good, they are coming along lovely. Check back later. And this, my friend, is some awesome chicken. Let's see if we can get some good light on there. Doesn't that look good? And with supper done, we say good night. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.